Hi there, welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. Today we will explore the GM Kanban Board, a highly customizable component designed to enhance workflows. This component allows you to track progress and perform quick updates without leaving the page. Let's make it happen. Click on the gear icon and select Setup. In the Quick Find box, search for Lightning App Builder. Click New. Then choose App Page. Click Next. For the label, enter Opportunity Kanban Board, and click Next. Select a one region and click Done. In the Component Explorer, search for GM Kanban Board. Drag and drop it into the page to start configuring. Name it Op Pipeline Board. For the custom icon, select Standard Opportunity. For the object name, set it to Opportunity. For the stage field, select Stage Name. For the title field, set Name. For the object fields, include Closed Date, Expected Revenue, and Amount. Next, for the row limit, set 100. Enable Create Object, Update Object, Mass Update, Delete Object, and Mass Delete. Copy the configuration to aggregate the amount and expected revenue. For the actions, copy the Update Stage action. Additionally, configure the card coloring as needed by pasting the configuration. After saving the settings, activate the app page you created in the Sales app. Click Save, and then go back to the Sales app. You will see your Opportunity Kanban board configured successfully. Here, you can view the color conditions applied. You can easily drag and drop cards to update the stage. You can also edit the cards. And also delete them. To refresh your component, you can click here. Let's select some cards. You can do the mass update. Let's update the close date, for example. Let's go ahead and choose some different cards to mass delete them. You can also update the stage using the Update Stage action. Click Submit. And you can also create a new opportunity if needed. That's it. You have successfully set up the GM Kanban board. Thank you for watching.